up everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we've got a very familiar car for you guys. I think if you guys watch our vlogs enough, you know that this car is always in the background or one of Rick's other million Porsches that he owns. They all seem to be orange, so you guys all think they're the same car, but they're not. This is Rick's 1990 Porsche all-wheel drive non-turbo car that has been turbocharged with an aftermarket turbo system with a massive intercooler on the back. It's because of where the turbo is located inside the wheel well on the driver's side. It's a very tight, snug fit. So Rick wanted to wide body this car to one, add more traction, push the wheels out a little wider, make the car handle a little better, and also gain more room for the turbo in the wheel well, because right now it is very close to the tire. So we went ahead and acquired a wide body kit for this car, which Ricky and I are gonna install. Ain't that right, Rick? There, he's actually here.
That's me. I can't wait to start cutting this thing up.
So that's right, guys, we're gonna be cutting up a 1990 Porsche to wide body it, and I don't think anybody in the shop, other than Rick, could be more excited about doing that than Ricky and I. So we're gonna go ahead and get cracking. If you guys are interested in where we got the parts to do this, you can click the links in the description below. We're excited, we're gonna go ahead and get cracking. In order to start, we need to remove all of the old body parts. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now.
What's going on, guys? Sorry for the quick interruption, but right now I want to show you guys something, which is Display. This is a company that make magnetic posters, metal magnetic posters that we have all over our office and all over our shop. You guys can see, which these ones are our favorite ones. We have the Fast and the Furious all over the shop, all over the hallway, and these things are sick. Isn't that right, guys?
These are sick. Yeah. I have in my house too.
Yeah, oh, I'm about to steal some. But the best thing is that when you guys purchase this, per every poster that you guys buy, you guys literally planted 10 trees, saving the environment. And the best thing is that you don't have to be Bob the Builder to put these things up. They're literally magnetic, and the back of the magnet is literally adhesive. So there's glue behind this magnet. You put them on the wall, you set this up, then you line them up yourself, right? When you guys go to the site, you guys can pick from thousands and thousands of different posters. You guys can see this is one of our favorite ones here in the shop, which is the Mazda RX-7. We also have the Supra. The link is gonna be in the description below. Thank you, Display, for always sending us some cool stuff.
We kicked this project off with our wide body kit and our cool carbon fiber flares. After Ricky and I got everything mocked up, we figured out that no amount of moving things around or bodywork was gonna fix the issue we were having with the carbon fiber flares not meeting up with the fiberglass bumpers and side skirts. We had to source locally a different set of flares for the car, which turns out for the better because they're actually fitting the kit the way that we had assumed the carbon ones were going to. These are the right flares. All right, so we're on the passenger side of the car. We've got the front and rear fenders both cut and trimmed back to our liking at this point. Now it's just checking, double checking, triple checking, making sure we have the fitment that we want. We've decided on 8 inches between the hardware, which is eventually going to be Downstar hardware that's going to hold these on. I'm going to go ahead and drill some 3/16 holes every 8 inches and put Clecos in. So we've got Cleco fasteners holding this on so we can keep taking it on and off as we need. One thing I did do was I came up with my ideal measurement, which is about 12 millimeters, and put it on the dial caliper. I've actually traced a line all the way around. We're good to go on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and start drilling the holes for the Clecos and put those on, then we'll move on to the front. Okay, so the front and rear over fenders are in their homes, cleat coat on as you guys saw. Now it's time to properly fit the side skirt. We basically want to tuck the front edge of the side skirt onto the rear edge of the front over fender, get our distances, and then Ricky and I pre-drilled the side skirt holes in sort of a factory location. But we're gonna go ahead and have to slot those a little bit so that we have some play, some movement in and out. That way we can align these properly. They're just gonna also require a little bit of trimming. They left these a little long, so they're touching the chassis. So I'm gonna go ahead and have to cut those back a bit, and then we can get these properly aligned. Alright guys, so we got a bit of a dilemma here. We have the GT2 wing, as you guys saw, which was the big double stack with the big wing. And we have this wing, which is duckbill wing, which is more my style. I think Rick really likes it as well. Problem is we've got this massive intercooler that sits up here on top of the engine, and as you can see here, it doesn't really fit too well. The guys and I have decided that we think we're gonna go ahead and trim this thing up to try to fit over the intercooler, because we really like the styling. And it might look really aggressive with the intercooler poking through it. So we're gonna get out the saw and start cutting up this very expensive wing. Maybe you guys can let us know in the comments if you like the GT2 wing on here or this wing better. It'll probably help us make a decision if we can get this one to fit. So we're gonna start cutting it up. Alright guys, well that's a wrap for today's video. Ricky and I got a lot of work done on Rick's Porsche. The wide body kit, for all intents and purposes, is on the car. And we've just got some minor fitment issues that we want to address before we send it off to the paint shop. And there's some rear bumper, front bumper alignment, and we got a little bit more sanding to do on the side skirts. But we wanted to show you guys what the car was going to look like in its basically put together form. Some of you guys are probably wondering what we ended up doing with the rear wing. The GT2 wing is on the back of the car at the moment. We did fit the duckbill, as you guys saw. We took the duckbill off because it's going to require a little bit of adjusting, but the duckbill wing will fit. And I'm looking forward to seeing that on the car once it's all shaped up. So Ricky and I will spend a couple more hours, button this thing up, and then it's onto the trailer and off to the paint shop. We're looking forward to seeing this thing in one color. If you guys have a color in mind that you think we should paint this car, leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think. We'll take it into consideration before we squirt paint on this thing. So thank you guys again for all your subscriptions, all your likes, your comments. We appreciate it all. We do go through everything and read it and oftentimes comment. So we appreciate the interaction. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. I think everyone on the internet has been waiting for this moment. I know I've been waiting. You guys ready?
I'm ready.
I don't want to give it away. I don't want to give it away.
I don't want to give the car away now.
So we're gonna be picking the winner for the 240SX. We just got the all the official entries into the system here. Here we go. Ready to start, ready to pick the random winner. Here we go.
Oh my god.
No, dude.
Who's winning the 240?
What's up with the suspense?
Seeker Wyatt, you won, brother.
Alright, now how do we figure out where Seeker's at?
Yeah, let's see him.
Check that out.
Get his phone number.
There he is.
He had a gang of entries.
He's a parts man. He
So-
bought some parts.
Nice.
Let's get his phone number.
Wyatt
and,
is his name.
Here we
got
go.
a phone number for him.
We got a phone number. He's from Reno, Nevada. All right, so we're calling Wyatt.
Wyatt Seeker. Seeker? Psyker?
Who's doing the talking? Me?
You are. You
Yeah,
always
you
do.
always
All
do.
right.
Why am I nervous?
I'm always nervous.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going, man? Is this Wyatt?
Hi. Yeah.
Oh, hey, what's up, man? This is Evan from throtl.
Oh, what's up?
Hey, not too much. Actually, I got the whole crew here. I wanted to let you know that you're the winner of the Rocket Bunny 240SX.
Shut the up.
You won, dude.
You won.
You won.
it, man.
You won. Congratulations.
It's yours, bro.
No way!
I think that's the best reaction we've had yet. It's all yours, dude. This is not a
You
joke.
won it.
You won, man.
That's awesome.
Cry.
Congrats. So have you been following the build?
Yeah, bro.
Awesome, dude. So it's pretty straightforward. Essentially, after we get off the phone, I'll send you an email with all of the information, and we'll figure out a time for you to come out. Come out to the shop in San Diego and hang out with the guys here, and you'll be on your way with the 240.
Bro, oh my god. I'm like shaking. No way, bro.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's real.
God.
It's real. So,
Oh my god.
where are you right now?
I'm in Reno, Nevada.
Okay. That's actually
Are you at work or are you off for the night or?
No, I'm off.
Nice.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Well, time to go party, brother.
Yeah, time to party and celebrate. You got yourself a new car.
Holy crap. Okay, when you called me, I was like, Evan. I was like, no way.
Well,
Cool, man. Well,
it's real, dude. Congratulations once again. Thank you so much for participating. And yeah, after we get off this, I have your email here, and I'll shoot you some information, and we'll figure out a time for you to come out.
Okay, thank you.
All right, man. Take it easy, dude. See ya.
Later, Wyatt.
Later,
Later,
big
big dog.
That's
That
it.
was good.
That's it.
I'm pretty sure
that was the best
I'm
reaction
pretty
we've
sure
had.
he's jumping for joy right now.
That was awesome.
I can only imagine what he's doing right now after he gets off the phone with us.
He's jumping in for
So, I know there's one more thing that a bunch of you guys, I know if your name is not Wyatt, then you didn't win. You're probably wondering what we're giving away next. So let's flash to the next clip right now. So I know a bunch of you guys are wondering, what is the next throtl giveaway car? Now, we're not gonna reveal it in this video. It's gonna come out in the next video, but we're gonna give you guys a little bit of a tease. Here we go. Any guesses? Comment down below.